happiness.
Every May, the town of Coculo, Italy, celebrates their patron Saint Domenico in a truly unique way, with snakes. The Festa dei Sipari, or the Serpent Festival, is one of the oldest celebrations in Europe. In its current form, the celebration dates back to the 14th century, but the event it celebrates dates all the way back to the 10th century, when Saint Domenico is said to have performed a miracle involving snakes.
La storia narra che un bambino fu morso dai serpenti e San Domenico fece il miracolo e quel bambino è guarito. E ecco, ogni anno si fa questa festa, è l'unica festa al mondo dove si portano i serpenti in giro.
Yet the festival may even date back further than that. Ancient Italians, known as the Marsi, were said to worship a goddess known as Angitia, who was associated with snake charming. Because the festival is so ancient, local men have learned for generations to be adept snake catchers. In the weeks leading up to the festival, the snake catchers, or sipari, will gather up dozens of snakes. There are 4 main types of snakes that are used in the ritual. But the most prized is the scervone, or 4-line snake. A large 4-line snake can grow to nearly 2 meters in length. But don't worry, none of the snakes used in the festival are poisonous. It's even said that if the festival has too few snakes, it's a bad omen. On the day of the festival, tens of thousands of onlookers flood the ancient city, with a permanent population of only 250. Locals have learned to deal with the sudden influx of people, but they have expressed concern that it's tarnishing their tradition by distracting from its religious overtones. Brass bands play as the snakes are draped over a statue of Saint Domenico and then paraded through the streets. The women in the village wear snake-like headpieces made of pastry. Festival goers touch the snakes, which are said to have healing powers. They even drape them around their necks.
Il santo ha potere taumaturgici di guarire, come dire, il serpe se lo mettono in faccia per il mal di denti. È una tradizione che il serpe porti bene, insomma.
When the festival ends, the snakes are released back into the wild. Until next year, that is.